Hey girl, how you doing, girl? Mwah, mwah, mwah. What? I know that. Let's go take a look at the chickens. In that nice clean grass, aren't you? So let's kind of do this thing. Let's get a little closer. Here's Rosie just sitting right there. Oh. Yeah. Good, isn't it? It's good, isn't it, huh? What you doing? Oh, I got you things. Yum. Nah. That's good, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, I must hurry. Come on, Chloe. I am. There's you, Rosie. See what I can do here. I'll take you. Hey Connor, look, I can control the camera. Look, it's camera control. See those white things? I have my phone on the white things. There you are, Rosie. It looks like you're so close. Let's watch you hop around. Ah! Oh. Connor, it looks like you're so close from my phone right here. Probably because I went 2 inches closer, but... Let's see what you're doing. Oh, I went even closer. Let's go even closer. Let's see. Where are you? Oh, really? Oh. Let's see. Zoom out here. That's how far he actually is. That's how far. Actually, let's zoom in a little. Connor, I'm videotaping you. Well, I'm actually videotaping the animals. Okay, I'm moving on to Betty. There's my green bunny name line. Yeah. Sorry, that's a walk. I'm running. Yeah. Betty gets scared easily. There we go. I scared her out. Yeah. Betty. Let's go back. Okay, I'm going back. Woo. There we go. Let's zoom out. Rosie's over there. Yep. Wait, let's zoom in and I can see if I can get the chickens. I zoomed in. Hey, what are you doing? She didn't do that to a bunny. Let's check. This used to be my dog's house. He moved. Connor.
Stop. Just stop it.
Here, I can add it in. It looks so fun. Whoop, whoop. hang on. Whoop. Sorry. Whoop. 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 I'm just going in and out. It looks so fun. Connie, you just dropped Rosie. Still, but still. Oh, let's see the chicken. Whoop. Oh, sorry. Whoop. 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 Hey, Connor, wait. I want to see Rosie. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. Oh, yes, you are. Oh, yes, you are. Connor, why are you babying her? She's a rabbit. Oh, she's a rabbit. Okay, we must end the video for the day. Just let me crawl in here real quick, and we can end the video. Ooh, fell. I missed you. Love you. Let's go check out the chickens. We gotta go slow, and then we'll end the video. I'm using my phone.
Let's do chicken hashtag out. Chicken hashtag see y'all later.
Chicken hashtag see you later. Connor, say bye. I'll zoom in. Okay, Connor, say bye. Wait, what is that thing you got there? I will do the video in a minute. Okay, bye.